Power Apps Dataverse provides record-level security to Azure Active Directory group membership types. Admins can easily set up and assign permissions to different Azure AD users so they can directly interact with the system based on their membership type: owners, members, and guests. Let's walk through how to create separate group memberships in an Azure AD group. First, we create a new team from the security settings, name it, and select the appropriate team type, either AAD Security or Office Group. From Microsoft Azure, Group with Membership Types, select Properties and copy the object ID. Under Membership Type, we would begin by selecting Owners and then repeat this process for both members and guests. By going back to Teams, the group we have selected has 3 Azure AD group membership team categories: one for owners, one for members, and one for guests. The admin can assign security roles to the team by selecting Manage Roles. The team creation process can be repeated for members and guests with different security roles being assigned to them. This feature allows for team management within Azure AD without waiting for the user to sync to the environment, and more importantly, without the need to assign security roles to each user directly. In this scenario, a team member's contact has a new phone number. The project manager can update their team member's contact card for them as the team owner. When the team member opens their contact card, they can verify that the change has been made. They have access to only their own contacts and the contacts the owner has shared with them. For example, teammates cannot alter each other's accounts or contact cards. This team also has a guest who has limited read-only permission for team collaboration. The guest cannot change or delete content. They can view teammates' contact cards, but are unable to alter them. Owners, members, and guests of Azure Active Directory group membership can be easily set up with a respective security role assigned to each membership type, providing record-level security for your organization.